And the City of Chattanooga has a new plan to address homelessness.
They are reopening public restrooms, they're increasing police patrols, and temporarily removing some benches. Here's Dallas Payton.
Ellis Smith with the City of Chattanooga says the efforts will help the homeless get the help they need and out of harm's way. Smith says the reopening of restrooms that were closed during the pandemic eliminates altercations that may arise when a homeless person attempts to use the restroom at a business. Additional transportation for Chattanooga police is being added through bikes and golf carts in high call volume areas.
The idea of that is trying to help more accessibility be created between the police and the community. Sometimes when you're in a car and the windows are rolled up, it's hard to kind of hear somebody, hear what's going on.
Smith says a few bikes and a golf cart may need to be purchased for the measure. It will also result in officers spending more time out of their vehicles. The city is also planning to offer training to frontline workers downtown to help manage crisis situations with the homeless population. Regular meetings are also being held with different organizations and agencies to assist as well.
As we're working on these other measures, we've temporarily taken up some very specific benches in areas where you have those links to harassment, to intimidation, to panhandling. We've removed those. We plan to put those back as the other measures are restored.
Smith says every incident involving the homeless doesn't mean they need to be arrested and put in jail. Sometimes they need to be connected to the right resources.
And if they're having a crisis, whether that's a mental health crisis or whether they've overdosed on something or whatever that may be, that's a symptom. But the reason they're out there and the reason they're doing that outside a restaurant or inside a retail establishment or on the street is because they're unhoused.
Smith says the end goal of the initiative is to get everyone housed. For Local 3 News, I'm Dallas Payton.